What's going on, people? Dumpster divers. Scrappers. My good people in YouTube land. All over the planet. I didn't plan it, but we planned it. And you know what I'm doing. You know what I'm back. I'm back already. Just I can't get enough. Can't get enough. Open tops. Bed rails. That we're just gonna toss out there. I should have backed the truck in. But, sometimes you do what you gotta do. Little glass in this window. This is a loom. Let's see if we can get it out without having to deal with all the glass. Okay. That's working out good. All right, those two pieces. Take that. Got to put that work in. How y'all doing today? It's a nice day out. It's like in the mid 70s. And it's sunny this late afternoon. And I'm back at it again. Nice little tripod lamp right there. And you know what? After I get this stuff out, maybe I'll turn my truck around, toss it in there. Or maybe I'll just do the little extra work. I think we're gonna do a little extra work. Gonna do a little extra. Man, that's noisy. It's noisy. Noisy money. That's what you can call it, noisy money. Bed rail. So you get this all in one grab. Got some little loom. All right. That's a decent start. That's a decent start right there. I see some more across the street. Let's go give it a look-see. Oh. Okay, we rolling. Thought we wasn't rolling, so we got some guys doing some cleanup. What's up, champ? Just looking for scrap. Yeah. Yeah, they're doing some clean outs. Yeah, metal. Got the guy still getting it in. Can't get this stroller. But they got quite a bit of stuff going on. Guess they're doing neither. Changing out all of the carpets and everything. Got me a nice little piece of, I think this is brass. And everything else. But let's go keep a looking. Keep looking. We are doing the paint, drywall. Some of everything. What's the cord? It's hiding under there. What's hiding? The vacuum must be under there somewhere. This looks like a vacuum cord. I'm gonna have to cut it though, because I'm not gonna dig it out, so I'm gonna get what I can get. All right. There's another cord. The foot tube. Don't mind if I do. Oh, there's the vac. A little lamp, that's metal, so I can hang on to that. Got some more wire. I see something. Is that a microwave? Yep. Microwave hot under there. Let's see if we can pull it out. Well, we almost got it. There we go. It's nasty inside of there. Throw that over there. Oh, got a nice little longboard. You know what? I think I'm gonna hang on to that. That's a Sector 9 board with the good spinny wheels. I can do that too. I like to skateboard. Any skaters out there from your childhood days? Used to get it in, piece of aluminum. Oh man, they got all kinds of hidden treasures. Okay, piece of wire. Yeah, okay. The vents. AC and heating vents. Could have just called me up. Like, hey, now I got all of this scrap out here. I'm just gonna throw it to the side. But they didn't know. It's just the contractors and stuff. They didn't know. We got a little air fresheners and stuff stuck in the vents. Freshen the house, but that's a good idea. That's actually not a bad idea. Might try that myself. Don't want to bust the bag too far open. I saw a vac somewhere. There it is. Maybe it's this one. One that I Yeah, the refrigerator guy came through, didn't he? Yeah, the other scrapper that usually comes out has picked up the refrigerators already. But that's all good. It's enough out here for everybody, as they say. So we're gonna make it do what it do. Get what we can get, then split. Get what we can get, then split. Because the thing I know about the refrigerator guys, he don't really mess with the loose miscellaneous stuff. So, hey, I get what I can find for the most time, for the most part, so on and so on. So I'm not mad at all. I'm not mad at all. Yeah, but we ain't doing too bad. At all. Get my skateboard. It's a nice board. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Still got it. I still got it. And this little quick turn. It's one of those little surfing type skateboards. Yeah, that was fun. Stick that to the side. I see a piece of some more aluminum. Yeah. Just some little snippets, But what y'all been up to today? How was y'all day? Trust that all is well with y'all in the universe, the omniverse, extraterrestrials, interterrestrials, and the aquatic beings and species and all that good stuff. But yeah, we ain't doing too bad. It's a nice little start. So let's see if we can get some more. Spotted something in the dumpster. I'm going to investigate. Oh, okay. Scooter. Little metal scooter. We'll take that. It's another one. That was plastic though. A car seat. Little pair of baby Nikes. Can hang that on your rear view mirror. That's some kind of good luck heirloom. I don't know. Moving on. All right, we're gonna go in this dungeon. See if they got anything in here. Oh, they do. There's a metal chair. We can definitely take that. I thought I was gonna kick that out, but I couldn't kick it out, so. Box full of toys, clothes and stuff. It's the Car Fox. It's kind of cool. There's one of those hoverboards. I wonder if it works. I see a charger for it, but you know what? We're gonna take it. Nice little left-handed glove if you're lefty. Cause it's got a lot of metal in it. And a hoverboard. You know, it probably works. Just gotta find a charger. But anyway, we'll see. We shall see. Anything in the dumpster? I don't hear nothing jingling in the bags. So I think we'll pass. Because it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Got this open top. I'm gonna check out real quick. Slick. Oh. Let's see what's going on. See you, Sink. What you think? Come a little closer, see if we can unscrew. Alright. There we go. There we go. Little piece of brass. Little piece of brass for some cash. And just gotta make that little move right there. Alright, let's see if we can do a little squeezy. Alright, got that in. That in. Alright. see what this is. Is that brass too? I think so. Throw that down there. I see a sink and a ceiling fan on the other side. Am I gonna have to walk across? Or maybe I can get up on the other side. Let's see. Anything left over here? There's a pipe. There's a wedge. Oh man, almost had it. There we go. Piece of aluminum. Anything else? No. Get down from there. This side doesn't have a ladder on it. Oh man, it's gonna be difficult. And I left my little ladder, but you know what? I'm gonna go get the hook. If I can work something out with the hook. And I need to do a little work to your hook. Alright. Hopefully this is not. Oh man. Okay. There we go. Just a little closer. Just a little closer. Right. Got a little bit of stainless and some dirty brass. Let's see if I can get that. What's going on? All right. We don't need the glass though. Y'all can keep that. That, and we're gonna break these off. Nice. That counts as a dirty motor. And we got us stainless steel sink. Shout out to my man S. Rodriguez, fellow scrapper. I forgot what state he was in. I want to say, you know what, I'm not even going to guess. But big shout out to him. He's been showing me support on his channel, watching my videos. Keep doing your thing, bro Ham. Keep doing your thing. See you in the next video. But as far as us, we're gonna keep it moving and get some more scrap. Ha ha ha. Yeah, my man S. Rodriguez, shout out to him. I forgot to mention that he has a YouTube channel also. I believe you can punch in S. Rodriguez in the search bar and he should pull up. But yeah, big shout outs to him. Got a fan, my man. Got a fan, my man. And it's got a little wire on it. We're gonna take that. Anything else? Anything else? Oh, I see a safe door with the key attached. And is that a safe deposit box maybe? I don't know. Ooh, it got a little weight to it. A little safe door got a little weight. I think that's it, Slick. Just some little light tin stuff in there. We ain't gonna bother with that. We gonna keep it moving. Well, it's shadow hour. Can you feel the power? And what do we have here? An elliptical an elliptical machine. You know, they probably would have put it in the dumpster if it would have fit. But it couldn't, so guess what? That works out for us. Works out for us good. Big time. I need my little snippies. Because there's a lamp that you guys can't see. And I need to get a headlight so I can see. And if I can see, then you should be able to see. You know, shine a little light on the situation. That's right. Like that. I'm gonna put that in the back. And we're gonna do a little adjusting. A little bit, ouch, ouch. That didn't feel too good. Gotta jam my finger up a little bit. Get my cans. And you can go there. Boom. Works for me. Okay, so somehow it got ripped out. Got ripped out. Alright, put this heavy end on. Banging my camera all up. Where is it? Stay focused. Stay focused. You gonna stay? Okay, cool. All right, camera issues. Gonna walk it up. There we go. Oh, now I'm trying to come off. All right, let's shut the gate. Boom. We good. Let's take a quick peek around the other side. Oh man, that's a nice big flower pot in there. My madre would love that thing. And it's got a big old tree. Oh wow. We can get it. It's plastic. Thought it was clay, one of them big clay pots. But yeah, I'll leave it. Find something a little better. But boom, we got the elliptical up there, so we're gonna go see if we got some more stuff around the corner. Would you like to join me? Props to the open tops. Let's see what's happening. whole bunch of insulation. Oh, but we got this pop-up tent. Let's take that. Let's see. Let's give it a quick inspection. Wonder if it's any good. I'm not thinking it is if they threw it away, but never know these days. People throw away perfectly good things, and this one don't seem to be. Oh, yep, it is. I see it. It's all cracked up. Frame is all cracked up. It's like they say, it's not what it's all cracked up to be. Ah, okay. It's a bad joke. Bad joke. But let's see if I can get this fabric off. I don't want to deal with that. And we don't need it. But this good. This part might have been some good. All right. Got that off. And we just want this. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Just stick it in there. All right, moving on. We're not here to talk. We're here to pump you up. Props to the open tops. What we got going on? That's the mattress. Did they have to dump it right here up front on top of the vacuum cleaner? You guys knew I was coming to get some scrap. Give me this umbrella. Ain't much left of it. I'm just banging myself up this evening. I'm gonna get the cord off of that. Get the cord off of that and then give it back. That's what we're gonna do. Alright. Clean it up. Clean it up a little bit. Clean it up a little bit. Do we have anything else? I see some capacitors. Is that what they call these things right here? Capacitors. Oh, a little bit of dirty brass. Sitting next to the dirty Twinkie. Twinkie Inky. Got a little wire on that. Piece of copper. I think a piece fell down there, but hey, it's gonna have to stay. There goes a piece of stove burner right there. Yeah, I can work with that. It's gonna add it to the pile. Just add it to the pile. Golly! With the gum pile, okay now. What did I do with my snips? I think I threw my snips in the back. Yep. Thinking it was part of the scrap. Threw it right there in the back with the rest of it. I'm losing my head. I'm losing my mind. Oh, okay. I see you, Senor Lamp. Got a couple of lamps to grab. Just gonna be real quick. Throw them in. I don't need that though. What you got in the dump? Something right here. Kind of heavy. Okay. Little mattress, you know, I need my snips. I need my wire cutters. Get that wire. Why are you doing this to me? Because I need you. I need you. Oh man, there's a whole box of sheets. That's crazy. And what do we have here? An extension crab net. I'll take it. I like to do the crab. I like to do the crabbing. Put that right there. Throw that in there. And I see another lamp on this side. Try to hide from me, huh? Why you trying to hide from me? You know you can't hide from me. If I want the scrap, I get the scraps. And that's that. And you get in there and behave yourself. What do we have here? Just driving by and they just sticking out. They're just sticking out the top like this. And I was like, you know what? That works. That worked. Just leave it somewhere where I can spot it and I'm gonna get it. Well, thought that was stainless, but it's not. No worries. Get these chairs. Wanna knock the, there we go. Knock that out. Bum, 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 bum. Get out of there. Yeah, just knock the cushions out. That's what that was. Don't hurt them. Nah, they all right. They'll be okay. They all served their purpose, and now they must go to the recycling for cash, of course. Well, hello. We got us a quick grab. It's light. This is light, but you know, it's a quick grab, so we're gonna get it. It all adds up. It's starting to add up. That'll work. What we got open top, got a little bit of insulated copper cord. It's all tore up, man. They look like they might have hit this with the, I don't know what they hit it with. Got an old radio flyer. It's all beat up. Beat up. Yeah, but I don't see much else. I don't see much else. But it's all good. This is the end of my scrap route. We didn't get super loaded. We still got some space, but you know, you have days like that where you don't find a whole lot. And then days where you find a ton of stuff, but it's all good. We're gonna add it to the trailer and do some more tomorrow. Do a scrap run and see what our proceeds are. If you guys want me to do another scrap yard run video, leave it in the comments and let me know. I'd be happy to. Probably gonna do one anyway, but I'd like to know you guys' feelings on that and opinions. But like always, thank you for watching the video. Appreciate y'all guys' support. Like, share, subscribe, leave comments. If you're out there hustling, get your hustle on. Stay motivated, stay positive. Put the work in and things will come your way. The universe does reward your efforts. But as far as for me, that's going to do it for me tonight. I'm going to take this to the house, offload it on a trailer, and call it a night. Thanks for joining me. Dumpster divers, scrappers, and all you good people in YouTube land. See you in the next video. Happy scrapping to y'all. Peace and love.